The next exercise is mettez les verbes suivants à la forme négative. So we are going to make the verbs in the bracket in the negative form. So it is very easy. You know the formula for writing a verb in the negative form is adding ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So shall we begin? The first sentence, je dash beaucoup. The verb given is travailler, ne and pas. So we have to make this into the negative form. So we write ne and pas, and the verb comes in the center. But we need to conjugate the verb. The verb is given in the infinitive form. It is an ER verb. So the subject is je. So the je conjugation for an ER verb is remove ER and add E. Je ne travaille pas beaucoup. I do not work much. Je ne travaille pas beaucoup. So this is how you do this exercise. You just add ne before, pas after the verb, and you conjugate the verb for that particular subject. The second sentence, il dash de chance. So now the verb is avoir. Now as usual we write ne before, pas after. And for il, the conjugation of avoir is a. But as you see, there is a vowel clash here. So we replace this E with an apostrophe. Il n'a pas de chance. He doesn't have the chance. Now the next sentence. Elle dash n'a pas aimé le lait. So now the verb is aimer and the subject is elle. So to write the negative, we put ne before, pas after, and the verb is aimer. For elle, it is aim. Again here we see there is a vowel clash. So elle n'aime pas le lait. Now the fourth sentence, tu dash en diem. So the verb given is être. So to write it in the negative form, we write ne before and pas after. Now we need to conjugate être for tu. So tu es. And now again there is a vowel clash. So tu n'es pas un lion. Now the last sentence, il dash le Sénégal. Now the verb given is visiter. So we write ne and pas, and the conjugation of visiter for il is visit. Il ne visite pas le Sénégal. So this was another very simple exercise. You just have to write ne before and pas after the verb and conjugate the verb for that particular subject. So once again, first one, je ne travaille pas beaucoup. Il n'a pas de chance. Elle n'aime pas le lait. Tu n'es pas indien. Il ne visite pas le Sénégal. So this is how we write a verb in the negative form. For the next exercise, we are going to compléter les phrases avec l'article défini. So we are going to fill in the blanks with the definite articles. Do you remember what are the definite articles? Le, la and le. So these are the definite articles. La comes before a noun that is masculine. La comes before a noun that is feminine. And le comes before a noun that is in the plural form. So these are the simple rules. So shall we begin? J'aime dash samedi. So it is masculine. So we write le. J'adore dash dimanche. If you notice, the names samedi, dimanche, lundi are all the days of the week. So we will be learning the days of the week next. So now these are the names of some days of the week. So here also it is la, mais, but, je déteste dash lundi. So again it is la. J'aime le samedi, j'adore le dimanche, mais je déteste le lundi. The meaning of this sentence is, I like Saturday, I love Sunday, but I hate Monday. The next sentence, elle adore dash pomme dash radis et dash épinards. So these are the names of some fruits and vegetables. If you notice, pomme, it is in the plural form, so we write les. Elle adore les pommes. This is also in the plural form, so les. And finally, épinard is also in the plural form, so it is les. Moving on to the next sentence, dash médecin soigne dash malade. So here, this is the noun. It is in the masculine form. So, le. And this noun, malade, it could be either masculine or feminine. So, you could write either le or la. The next sentence, dash glace, j'adore. Now, the noun here is glace. It is feminine. So, we write la. And finally, the last sentence, j'aime dash musique rap, mais je préfère dash chanson de jazz. Now, the first verb is music. Sorry, the first noun here is music. J'aime. Now, this is in the feminine form, so la. J'aime la musique rap. I like rap music. Mais, but, je préfère, I prefer, dash chanson. Chanson means songs. Now, it is in the plural form. So, what would we fill in this blank? It is les. Je préfère les chansons de jazz. So, this is how we write. This is just a practice exercise for us to fill in the definite articles. J'aime le samedi, j'adore le dimanche, mais je déteste le lundi. Elle adore les pommes, les radis et les épinards. The third sentence, le médecin soigne le malade. The fourth one, la glace, j'adore. The fifth sentence, j'aime la musique rap, mais je préfère les chansons de jazz. So, this is how we fill in the definite articles. So, now you must be thorough with how to fill in the definite articles le, la and les. The next exercise is compléter avec l'article convenable. So, now we are going to fill in the blanks with the suitable article. So, it can be either the definite or the indefinite article, and we have to fill in the blank with the convenient one. So, the first sentence, j'adore dash nuit, mais je déteste dash riz. So, now here when we are being very specific, we will use the definite article. And since our noun here is in the plural form, it would be les. So, if you remember, the definite articles are la, la and le. And the indefinite articles are un, un and they. So these are the 6 articles in French. J'adore les nuits, mais je déteste. So the noun here is masculine, so it is le. Moving on to the next sentence. Vincent a dash sac rouge. So Vincent has dash red bag. So here it is masculine and we need to fill in the indefinite article. So it is un. Vincent a un sac rouge. The next sentence. Qui est ce? Who is it? C'est Paul. It is Paul. C'est dash copain. So here we need to fill in again the indefinite article. And copain, classmate. It means classmate. Copain is in the masculine form. So fill in un. Qui est ce? Who is it? C'est Paul. It is Paul. C'est un copain. It is a classmate. He is a classmate. Vous aimez dash film anglais? You like dash film anglais? So here they are being particular. Do you like the English films? So here we would write the definite article and now the noun. It is in the plural form. So we write les. Vous aimez les films anglais? Oui, yes. Mais je préfère, but I prefer dash cinema indien. So here again we need to fill in the definite article and the noun here is masculine again. So le. Le cinéma indien. Vous aimez les films anglais? You like the English films? Oui, yes. Mais je préfère, but I prefer le cinéma indien, the Indian movies. And the last sentence, there is dash ordinateur et dash téléphone dans dash bureau. So now the first blank. So there are dash ordinateur. So this is the noun. Ordinateur means computer. So this is in the masculine form. So there is a computer. Il y a un ordinateur et dash téléphone. Now this noun is in the plural form. So we write des. Et des téléphones dans dash bureau. So now this, here we need to fill in the definite article and the noun here is masculine. So dans le bureau. So this is how we fill in the definite and indefinite article. I'll read these sentences once again. J'adore les nuits, mais je déteste la riz. Vincent a un sac rouge. Qui est ce? C'est Paul, c'est un copain. Vous aimez les films anglais? Oui, mais je préfère les cinémas indiens. Finally, the last sentence. Il y a un ordinateur et des téléphones dans le bureau. So this is how we fill in the definite and indefinite articles.